Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of egg roast. This is spicy and goes well with appam, idiyappam or any other Indian breads. Let's see how to prepare this egg roast. To begin with, boil 6 eggs. The eggs are boiled and the shells are removed. Now prick each egg with a fork like this. By doing so, the masalas will get inside the eggs. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a pan. I have taken more oil but try to take less oil. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Add in the boiled eggs. Shallow fry the eggs in the oil. Once the eggs are fried, remove it from the oil. Fried eggs are ready now. In a kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Add in the whole spices. I have taken 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 2 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, star anise, 1 cardamom and 1 red chilli. Salt it and add in 3 finely chopped onions. If you have larger onion means you can take 2 onions. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute the onions until it turns slight golden brown color. Cover it with the lid and cook well. Now add in the tomato puree. I have grinded 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Saute it nicely until the raw smell goes off. Once the tomato is cooked, add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as needed. Add in less than 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Cover it with the lid and cook well. The tomatoes and the onions are cooked well. Add in 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of fennel powder. Saute it nicely until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. The masalas are cooked well and now add in 2 green chilies. In goes half a cup of water. Close the pan with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. I have also prepared this delicious egg curry. I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. Look at it friends, the masalas are cooked perfectly. I have used Kashmiri red chili powder and hence it's bright red in color. Finally, add in another half a cup of water. Once the curry boils, add in the roasted eggs. Add in 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi leaf, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce or ketchup. Saute it until everything combines well. Delicious spicy egg roast is ready to be served now. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. Do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Finally, add in some coriander leaf. You can serve this with ghee rice or any other Indian breads. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.